Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss about application of ICT in research. It is important and this is lecture 8. Till now I have uploaded 7 lecture on research aptitude, so you can go and check out. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please go and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. The first question is, what is an ICT? So an ICT is information and communication technology. It has an infrastructure and components that enable modern computing. So ICT helps in modern computing. It is very important, crucial for the scientific researches. Very important for the scientific researches because it helps in complex computing, data analysis and modeling. What is modeling? So model, it is a program that is developed in a way to copy the way a system works in real life. So it basically copies the way for a system that works in real life. It uses mathematical formulas and calculations to predict what is likely to happen based on data recorded. So this recording of data is important. Everything is calculated, predicted on the basis of the data that is being recorded. So this was about ICT. Next we have statistical analysis tools. So now we will talk about the tools. This tool includes statistical package for social sciences, shortened as SPSS. It has following functions: helps in the data review and variable view measurement, helps to draw statistical inferences. You can draw inferences using the data, correlational and regression analysis, analysis of variance, non-parametric test, and most importantly it helps in hypothesis test. So remember this one, such as t-test, chi-square test, z-test, ANOVA and so on. So this was all about statistical analysis tools. Next we have 7th point, and that is it helps in frequency distribution as well as exposition of data using various graphs. If you represent any statistics or data using a graph, then it becomes very convenient for the researcher or the reader to understand. The graphs can be in the form of line, scatter, bar, ogive and so on. Next is data analysis tools. So the first thing it includes is spreadsheet packages. What is it? It is a computer application. It is basically a spreadsheet. It has lots of formulas that can be applied to the data that has been fed into the sheet, and then ICT will do their work, analysis, computing according to the demand. Examples of statistical data analysis tools, spreadsheet packages are Microsoft Excel, Lotus 123, Quattro Pro, Multiplan, etc. So these are examples of spreadsheet packages. Next we have word processor package. So what is word processor package? It is a document preparation system. You made a document, you prepare a document using this word processor. It includes Microsoft Word, WordStar, SoftWord and so on. Next is presentation slide. So it is basically a software that displays information in the form of slides. So fine, you have a slide, lots of functions are there that you can apply on this slides and you can present your slides. So the presentation packages are MS PowerPoint, Lotus Freelance Graphics, Corel Presentation, Apple Keynote and so on. So these are the packages, that is presentation packages available in the market that you can access. The next one is DBMS. It stands for Database Management System. It is an organized collection of information. So the informations are organized here. It helps in the management of database. So whatever database is there that has been collected in this, it helps in its management. Desktop database includes Microsoft Access, Paradox, FilmMaker Pro and so on. So these are database management system packages. Next we have commercial database. It allows or supports multi-users. It includes Oracle, MS SQL Server, Sybase and so on. The next one is open source database. It includes MySQL, PostgreSQL, Firebird, etc. So these are just technical terms are there, and these are packages names are there. So don't be overburdened, but you should have a basic knowledge about them. That is all being demanded. The next one is browsers. It is a software application. What is the function? It enables users to display and interact with texts, images, videos, and so on, games, video games. Lots of things are being provided by this browser on a web page using what? Website which is provided collectively by World Wide Web, that is www, or local area network. So browser is basically a software application that helps to display and interact with all these text, images, videos, video games, and lots of things. Examples of browsers are Chrome, Microsoft Internet Browser, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, and so on. So these are examples of browsers. Next we have online document management. So you can manage a document online using Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Docs, MS SkyDrive, Microsoft 365. It is a paid version, you have to pay for this. The next one we have is online data collection. Online data collection. So you can also collect data online using online forms, by preparing online questionnaires, online surveys, collaboration tools. With the help of Skype, you can do voice and video conferencing. With the help of Google Hangouts, you can also do the same, voice and video conferencing. So this was all about online data collection. The next we have modern research tools. It includes electronic research tools, and they are Zotero, Evernote. So these electronic research tools helps to make collection of data and collaboration between colleagues easy, and it's very easy, convenient, and they also save large amount of time citing and creating bibliographies. So this electronic research tools, also known as modern research tools, helps in the collection of data and to collaborate between colleagues easily, and it also saves large amount of time that is being used for citing and creating bibliographies. So these are the functions of electronic research tools. Next we have a little bit more about Evernote, because it is used a lot. So it allows to capture digital content including web pages, PDF files, snippets of web page, and also it helps to organize them, annotate them, share them, and publish them. So it has lots of functions, that is multifunctionaries. Evernote is multifunctionaries. Next we have application of ICT in pre-data analysis. I have told you when I was talking about steps of research, in that there are lots of steps that you have to follow while doing research. So there is the most important thing in research is data collection, right? So before starting a research, before collecting a data, you have to do a certain application of ICT that helps in your research, and it is used for literature research to avail or access the articles on internet, or thesis or dissertation, content search, or it helps in the data collection. I have told you about data collection in the previous slides. So these are the application of ICT in pre-data analysis. Before collecting data, before analyzing the data, you can use ICT for these functions. They are literature research, article can be accessed, thesis and dissertation, accessibility, content search, data collections. Next we have application of ICT in data analysis. So once you have collected data, so you are going to apply that ICT in that. How it can be applied? So first is that quantitative data analysis. It has following softwares that are used that helps in quantitative data analysis, and they are SPSS, R, MATLAB, Microsoft Excel, SAS, that is Statistical Analysis Software, GraphPad, Prism, Minitab. So these comes under quantitative data analysis. Next we have qualitative data analysis, and it has this software statistical packages, and they are NVivo, Atlas.ti, MaxQDA, Transana, so on. So when you are enrolled in research program, then you will use all this. The third one of this is application of ICT in post data analysis. So we had pre-data, then post. So ICT can be used for the compilation of references and bibliographies. It can also be used to discuss about article, thesis and dissertation amongst researchers, supervisors and other stakeholders using ResearchGate, and it also helps in plagiarism detection that can be done using Grammarly, Turnitin. Then journal manuscript submission, for example Sage publications. So these are application of ICT in post data analysis. So just look at it. It is so crucial. ICT is so crucial for your research. It is required in the pre-data analysis, in data analysis, as well as in post data analysis. So it has a tremendous application in the research work. So guys, this was for today. I hope this video would be productive for you, that it will help you to build your concept, to know more about application of ICT in research. If you really like this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel.